when you finally get your hands on a microscope and you put the slide on the microscope and you look through your eyepiece and you grab that coarse adjustment knob and you finally get that object to where you can see it, you're going to notice something a little bit weird, and it's something called optical inversion. Basically, when you look through that eyepiece at your object, everything you're looking at looks upside down and backwards. It's because of the way the lenses work when they're magnifying the object. Okay, optical inversion. So when you're looking at the E, so you're just looking at it, okay, no microscope involved, it looks like a regular old E. It's right side up, it looks like it's supposed to if you were reading it in a book. But when you finally look through the microscope at that E, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to turn upside down and backwards. All right? That happens with everything. Now, one of the tricks that goes along with this is if you're looking through the microscope and you push something to your left, it's going to look like it's going to the right. Or if you slide it to the right, it's going to look like it's going left. All right? Because everything is upside down and backwards. All right? That's optical inversion. And then field of view, we talked about a little bit when we looked at the eagle's head. All right? The more you magnify the object, the less of the object you get to see. And so the more of the entire object you can see. See how you can see the entire letter E here? Okay? That is a bigger field of view because you see more of the E than this. This is the smaller field of view because you see less of the E. So the more you magnify an object, the smaller the field of view gets. So even though you get to see more detail, you get less object. Smaller field of view, bigger field of view. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. If you can see more of the entire thing, the entire E, that's a bigger field of view, larger. Less of the entire object, so you don't see much of the E here, that's a smaller field of view. More detail, less E. Okay? I think that's it. Yes.